Hey, welcome to the video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that can stump even experienced developers. The problem we're tackling involves compiler errors when dealing with undefined macros. It's a common scenario, but the solutions can be quite tricky to figure out. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of this issue. In the solution, we encountered a specific code snippet that caused compiler errors due to undefined macros. The key point to note here is that when a macro like for is not defined, or is defined but not as a function like macro, trying to use it as a function like macro like for foo results in a syntax error. It's similar to trying to use an undeclared identifier in a regular C expression. To overcome this issue, we need to structure our conditional logic in a way that the compiler can handle effectively. Continuing with the solution, we found a revised code snippet that resolves the issue by breaking up the logic into multiple *if directives. By splitting the logic, we can first check if for is defined, and then proceed to check its value. This approach ensures that the compiler can evaluate the conditions correctly without running into errors related to undefined macros. It's all about structuring our code in a way that aligns with the compiler's expectations. So by following this revised approach, we can avoid those pesky compiler errors and keep our code running smoothly. In summary, we delved into a challenging problem involving compiler errors related to undefined macros and explored a solution that restructured the conditional logic to address the issue effectively. By understanding how compilers interpret macros and conditional directives, we can write code that compiles without any hiccups. I hope this explanation helps shed light on this common stumbling block in C programming. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time.